In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a missing scroll bar in Microsoft Excel. If your horizontal or vertical scroll bar has vanished, navigating a large worksheet can feel impossible. The good news is Excel has a simple setting that controls whether those scroll bars are visible. I'll walk you through exactly where to find it and what to check so you can get back to scrolling smoothly. Start by opening the Excel app in the workbook where the scroll bar is missing. It's important to do this in the file that's giving you trouble because the setting you're about to change is saved with the workbook. Next, go to the File tab in the top left corner of Excel. This opens the Backstage view where you manage app-wide settings and file options. From there, choose Options. You'll usually find Options near the bottom of the list. Clicking it opens the Excel Options window, which is where most display and behavior settings live. In the Excel Options window, select Advanced from the left-hand pane. Advanced might sound intimidating, but don't worry, we're only going to adjust a single display area. Once you're in Advanced, scroll down until you reach the Display section. Depending on your version, this area may be labeled Display or Display Options for this workbook. If you see a drop-down at the top of this section, make sure it's pointing to the workbook you currently have open, the one with the missing scroll bar, so the change applies to the right file. Now look for two checkboxes, Show Horizontal Scroll Bar and Show Vertical Scroll Bar. These control the bars at the bottom and on the right edge of the window. If either one is unchecked, the corresponding scroll bar won't appear, even if your data extends beyond the visible area. Tick both boxes to ensure you can scroll left and right across wide sheets and up and down through long lists. After you've checked those options, click OK to apply the change and close the window. Head back to your worksheet and confirm that the scroll bars are visible again. You should see the horizontal bar along the bottom for side-to-side navigation and the vertical bar on the right for moving through rows. Try dragging them or using the arrows to make sure everything responds as expected. One quick note, these display settings are stored with each workbook. If you open another file and don't see the scroll bars there, repeat the same path. File, Options, Advanced, Display, and ensure both scroll bar boxes are checked for that workbook too, and that's it. With those settings enabled, your Excel scroll bars should be back where they belong.